that Pakistan and Saudi Arab has the brotherly relationship, and Saudi Arab always been stood by Pakistan. Whenever there was a need, the Saudi Arab in fact has helped Pakistan, and Pakistan is always available to Saudi Arabia. So with that historical relationship, now the Saudi Arabia and Pakistan entered into a defense agreement, and which I think will bring two nations more closer to each other. Uh, the Prime Minister and the Field Marshal Munir is also of the view that we should then develop our economic relationship with them, and in order to that, the delegation in fact is visiting Pakistan, and they are in fact looking for the opportunities, profitable opportunities of investment in Pakistan. So this interaction would definitely would bring some agreements with them, and they'll be then investing more into Pakistan.